Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record a run on the Strava application. So first of all, of course, all you need to do is just go and open the Strava application if you already have it downloaded in your phone before. Of course, if you have it, this will be great, but if you don't, you'll have to go and download it through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Once you actually opened your Strava application, you'll actually ask you to log in into your account if you have one. But if you don't have an account, you'll have to actually go and create one. They'll give you three options to do that. You will have the Facebook option, the Google option, and even the email option. Just choose whatever option you would like, and once you created your account or logged in into your account, you'll find yourself here at this home screen or this main screen, and of course you will find yourself at the home page of the Strava application, and here you will find the recent like posts or segment that you posted, in where you can add a new post or segments or even edit your recent one, or even delete them if you want. So what we said is we would like to record a run. If we want to do that, we can just go here to this record option at the middle down here. And here I'm just going to choose this second option to choose whatever activity I would like to record. Of course, as you can see here, I have a lot of activities that I could record. For us, we said we would like to record the run, so make sure to click on it and you can choose your route and then start your running. Once you finish, you can just hit this stop button, and of course, if you would like just to take a rest, you can like click at this to take your rest, then resume whenever you want. But of course, if you finished your run, you can just go here and click at finish. And of course, for me, I didn't move yet, so it didn't count any distance. That's why they are telling me this message. For me, I'm just going to discard it, and I'll be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and goodbye.